Well, damn. Give you a side view as you see the dam there. Cool shot of the mist. Screenshot that. Mist rising up on the dam. The Strom Thurmond Dam and Lake at Clarksville. Welcome to South Carolina.